play video games together this weekend? My mom said yes. That sounds really fun, Leo.
I told you already, Jack. You are not my real mom. Just leave me alone. I don't need you to tell me anything.
Why is Jack so angry?
She is his stepmom, not his real mother. Oh.
So that is why she is not nice to him. I think we need to help him if she is mean to him at home.
Yes, let's follow Jack, Leo. Be careful. We don't want anyone to see us. Look at that cat. It looks really cute.
Hey! Look, Leo, the cat. Can we touch it from here?
Oh no! Hide, Tom! She's coming!
Let me brush your fur for you, kitty.
Do you think she saw us outside?
Let's go to another window slowly.
Look! Jack's in this room. He looks happy and laughing loudly. What's he watching?
Jack, please turn the sound down. The neighbors may complain.
Go away! Don't bother me!
Listen to me. I don't want us to get into trouble. This is so annoying.
Something feels strange, but not too bad. I think maybe we were wrong before.
I think Jack really likes it. Here's your food, kitty. Jack, dinner is ready. Please come and eat. I do not want to eat with you tonight.
I made your favorite chicken. Please try it. I said I do not want it. Just leave me alone.
Oh my goodness. Jack, be careful. Why did that kid do that? I'm really not his mom, but I am really trying my best.
She really cares about him a lot. Maybe we were wrong about her.
I told you already, Jack! You must be careful. She pulled him to keep him safe. I know what we missed. We should help Jack understand everything. Huh? What are you doing, kids?
Oops. Uh-oh. We got caught.
Could you please let us meet Jack, Mrs.?
She always tells me what to do every day.
She keeps reminding you because she really cares about you, Jack. When you push her away, it hurts her a lot.
And she almost cried when you broke the plate.
Oh, was I really that rude to her? I have to say sorry.
That's it. I hope Jack will learn to love her more. I hope they will become closer.
So, we shouldn't judge people from one situation.
Understanding others helps us build better relationships.
Always open your heart and show kindness.
Wow! The giant Ferris wheel! I'm so excited!
My stomach. Huh? What is that sound, Leo?
Oh no, oh no! I can't wait!
X family, please, come on in.
Yay! It's our turn, my darlings. Mom? Wait! Ouch! Ouch! My stomach hurts. I need the toilet now. Wow, there is so much food. I will eat all of this. This hot dog is very good. And this drink is so sweet and cold. I love junk food. More, more!
Leo, don't eat too fast. It is not good for your stomach.
But Mom, it's so yummy. I want it all. Oops, my stomach is making noise. Listen to Mom, Leo. Stop eating. No, I want more. Can we buy some popcorn too?
Let's go to the toilet first.
Okay, Mom, I'm going. No, Mom, I don't want to. Let's go to the Ferris wheel now. Oh no, we waited for so long.
The door is open. Please, Dad, I can't wait. Hurry. I will take Leo to the toilet. Grace, please stay with Maya.
Okay, we will wait here. Hurry up, Ethan.
We're sorry, we have to go. It is okay. No problem. Okay, Leo.
Let's run fast.
Faster, Dad.
Whew. I feel much better now.
Are you okay now, buddy?
Yes. Oh no! The Ferris wheel!
Hurry up, Dad. Maybe we can still play.
Oh, we are late. It is gone. Yeah. The line is so long now.
Oh no. It's all my fault. I'm so sorry, everyone.
I ate too much. And didn't use the toilet. It's okay, Leo. Don't be sad.
Now you know the lesson, my darling. We must always prepare before we play, right?
Yes, Mom. I will remember.
Look, let's play bumper cars. There are many fun games here.
That's right. We can ride the Ferris wheel next time. Now smile and let's go.
Yay! Bumper cars! Let's go!
Welcome to the studio. Are you ready?
Yes. Here's my heart pose.
Wow! The lights are so bright!
Let's go to the dance room!
Oh boy, the music is very fast.